I'm here to introduce the enhanced lineup of Squids Glove Clips. These little babies are proven to prevent lost items and give you immediate access to essential PPE and other gear. Let me take a minute to review the lineup with you. The 3420 swiveling model with dual clips offers a low profile option that swivels 360 degrees, preventing your gear from getting bound up. The tried and true 3400 dual clip model can be used to hold gear with both ends assembled together, or has the 2-for-1 benefit of being disassembled and each end connected to separate locations. The 3405 belt clip model slides conveniently onto a belt or harness to keep gear tighter to the body. The final design is our model 3415 with magnetic anchor mount. This attractive version mounts to a ferromagnetic surface, not the body, to keep gear where you need it. All of these solutions are designed to safely break away in case of emergency. Other products are held together with small barb-like pins that can break off and become projectiles or foreign objects when pulled apart. The patented Squids designs ensure only 2 pieces will separate if caught up in a situation. Except for the 3415, all of these styles are available in a variety of color options and can be imprinted with a company logo or safety slogan. The 3400 and 3405 models also come in metal detectable versions that are impregnated with metallic powder that will alert metal detectors in food, beverage, and pharmaceutical industries. Molded in the USA, these glove clips are made of ultra-resilient materials and are very lightweight. These affordable solutions will help save you from replacing your gloves and other gear time and time again. For more information on the entire Squids Glove Clips line or any of our tethering solutions, visit us online at ergodyne.com.